Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been long since we've talked, but I'm back a bit, I guess. But so I'm really into Rubik's Cubes nowadays. So I got a Rubik's Cube. It's in a small container. And it's just like this.
So you know how to solve it?
Yep. Oh. Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, it's heavy. I think there's magnets maybe, but
How do you solve it?
well, basically, if you don't know what a Rubik's Cube is, you technically just like move the sides, and eventually you can solve it. But I can, I know how to solve it. I do this one algorithm that I'm actually not bad at. And there, solved. Pretty simple for me, but not a lot to unbox, but that's it for today. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
It's heavy a bit.